In this video, we'll walk you through how to transfer files from a PC or laptop to your iPhone using a USB cable. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more. This method is super useful. Whether you've got Word documents, videos, or any other files, you'll be able to move them over easily. To begin, you'll first need to install an app on your computer. Click on the search bar and type in Microsoft Store, which works as your computer's app store. Once it's open, use the search bar at the top and type in Apple devices. Click on the result and then hit Install. This app lets you manage Apple devices directly from your PC. After that finishes installing, grab your iPhone and head into the App Store. Tap the search icon in the bottom right and type in Chrome. You'll need to download Google Chrome on your iPhone. Once installed, open it just to make sure everything is working. Now plug your iPhone into your computer using a USB cable. If it's your first time connecting, you'll get a pop-up asking for permission. Just tap Allow. You might also see a Trust This Computer prompt, so be sure to confirm that too. And you may need to enter your iPhone passcode to finish setting it up. Back on your computer, click Open when prompted and begin the setup process. It may take a moment. Once it recognizes your iPhone, look to the left panel and select Files. Under the Files section, choose Chrome. We'll be using Chrome to add files to the device. In the bottom right, click Add File. Your File Explorer will open, and from there you can pick any files you want to transfer. For example, I'll select these two files. Hit Open, and they'll appear in the transfer list. Now, go ahead and press Sync in the bottom right corner. Wait a moment while the files are transferred over to your iPhone. Once that's done, head back to your iPhone and open the Files app. Tap on Browse in the bottom right, then tap On My iPhone. Look for the Chrome folder and tap it. Inside, you'll see the files you just transferred. You can tap the three dots in the top right corner, press Select, and then hit the folder icon at the bottom center to move the files anywhere else you'd like. And that's it. You successfully transferred files from your PC to your iPhone.